Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a very simple and easy what I call as mixi rasam. There are days when you feel a little bit tired, you may not want to make an elaborate meal. So for those days you can make this comfort food. So in your mixi jar, take one ripe red tomato and roughly chop it and add. These are the Bydagi red chillies. They are not spicy but they give a good color. I am adding 5 of them. Here I have 1 teaspoon of Jeera, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper and 1 teaspoon of coriander or Dania seeds. We will add all of them also together along with this. I am also adding 1 teaspoon of this chutney dal, roasted gram bhuna chana. Here I have half a teaspoon of tamarind paste. If you don't have tamarind paste, you can add a small amla size piece of raw tamarind to it. Add salt to taste. Now we will grind all these ingredients very finely. As I always say, don't add water in the beginning. First grind it into a paste. Now you can add some water and blend everything well together. Now heat a teaspoon of ghee in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, a little bit of jeera, some hing, a few curry leaves, 1 tomato finely chopped, add a pinch of turmeric powder to this. Just wait till the tomatoes become nice and soft. Now pour this blended mixture into your vessel in which you want to make the rasam. Add this tomato also to it. Now over a low flame, bring everything to a boil. See, the rasam is beginning to boil now. Here I have taken 1 more cup of water and I will top it up. Continue cooking on a low flame till it all comes together and froths up and starts boiling once again. Now can you see the rasam frothing up from all the sides and gently coming to a boil. At this stage, just add some fresh coriander leaves on top. Now we can switch this off. Our lovely tasty mixi rasam ready in just 5 minutes. Absolutely tasty comfort food. Remember to cover it immediately with a lid to retain all the flavors. Side by side, here I have made some simple brinjal fry. So we will have a simple lunch of rice, this brinjal fry and our 5-minute mixi rasam. Normally I buy vegetables for the week. So before arranging the new vegetables in the fridge, I remove whatever, sometimes we have some leftover curry leaves which are not spoiled but they have lost their fresh green color, a little bit of coriander stems and so on. Don't throw them because they are still of good nutrition value. So here I have taken, here in 1 teaspoon of oil, I have taken about 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 2 dry red chillies and fried them. Then added the remaining curry leaves, coriander leaves and fried them also. Now I have switched it off. Transfer it to your blender jar. Add a small piece of tamarind, remove any fiber and seeds, and when cool, we will grind it into a thick chutney. Adding some salt also before grinding. If you have a small piece of ginger, you can peel that and also grind it along with the curry leaves. See, this should be the consistency. Don't add too much water. This is called as Thogayal, which we mix with rice and eat. So our simple home style meal is ready. Here I have some cooked rice, our 5-minute mixi rasam, a little bit of brinjal fry And this is the curry leaves, coriander leaves and ginger Thogayal. So we can mix this Thogayal with rice and a little bit of ghee. Then have your next course with rasam, and of course finally with curd. You can also serve the rasam in a cup and you drink it like a soup too. It tastes awesome. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.